Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about Pact Cosmetics. When I did a video where I spoke about my top 11 beautiful made in India cosmetics, I'm talking about beauty and skincare, makeup and skincare basically. All of you wanted to know more about Pact because on and on I have spoken about how I'm in love with Pact as a brand itself. They are a force to be reckoned with. I think they're really wonderfully affordable. At the same time, they are really high on quality, and the best part is they cater to women of different skin tones much better than any of the other Indian makeup brand. I really love Pact. These are the ones that I loved after testing out, excepting for the concealer, which I don't have, and the eyebrow pencil, because for me, till now, I have not found a good eyebrow pencil coming out of India that is waxy. So what I have applied is the NYX Micro Brow. So before we get on to the makeup video, I have a very exciting giveaway in this video as well. One of you lucky girls will win 1000 rupees voucher worth of any Pact makeup that you want. This unfortunately is only for the residents of India because Pact does not ship internationally unless you have somebody in India like your aunt or your mother or your uncle or your cousin who can ship it to you. Then the shipping charges that goes internationally is completely your call, but I will make sure that the Pact product of your choice will reach the residents. Otherwise, there's nothing that I can do, you guys. Pact really needs to step up on their international delivery. And yeah, whatever Pact product that you require, I'll make sure that you have it. There's also another two ongoing giveaway that is happening because this is the month of giveaway. One is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte, and there's another Urban DECAY giveaway as well. All of the links are there in the info bar. Go check it out, participate, because you can have those beautiful products. It can be yours basically. The rules are very simple, you guys. You need to follow the rules. It is only for my followers over here. You need to follow me here on YouTube. You need to like the video and comment below the word participated and what Pact product you love the most. The same thing you need to do on Instagram as well. Under the last post, just say the word participated, and don't follow, unfollow. I mean, just make sure that you're genuine in your love and affection. Just follow me for life, be a part of the family, and I shall disclose the winner by end of the month. By end of August, all the winners will be contacted through direct message, and whatever the video that has the giveaway in the comment section, I shall disclose the winner there also end of the month. Okay, so just to get this simple, very simple makeup look using the best of Pact, in my opinion, let's get this tutorial started. I have spoken about the Studio Oil Primer, which is an exact dupe of the Smashbox one. If you saw my June favorites, which I put on my IGTV stories, go check it out. I've spoken a lot more about the oil primer, which skin it suits for. So right now, I'm just going to take a little bit of the Pore Professional Primer. You guys have seen me talk about this so many times. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that. It's got a very silicone-y, gummy kind of a texture, but when you apply this on your T-zone, it beautifully just mattifies and makes the pores really small. I absolutely love this primer. I would say that in India, this is one of the best primers for open pores, oily skin. I would say that this is a wonderful primer. I'm going to apply my foundation, and the foundation that I have right now is 4.1 HD foundation by Pact. If you saw my top 8 foundations, I have mentioned about it. It's really lovely. It is not for people with extremely oily skin. It's somewhat of a foundation that's going to give you like semi-matte finish. Okay, so it's going to just allow that glow to happen on your face, but at the same time it will give you a proper coverage. And to just dampen my sponge, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Pact Microfinish Makeup Fixer, which is one of the best makeup setting sprays that you can get in India. This is the exact dupe of the Morphe. This is the Continuous Setting Mist. It's the exact dupe of that because it's very fine. It's an aerosol spray, so I'm just going to spray that. Can you see how fine that is? And immediately you can see how well it covered my acne scars. And you see the face, okay? It's not completely matte. It just gives a little bit of that glowy, dewy finish. That's exactly what I like. And on top of this, just to make it a little more long lasting, I'm just going to go over with my Pact Microfinish Spray. Oh, It smells also lovely. I know they've got the pot, the stick, as well as the pencil concealers. They're really nice. I think the pot one is better, but my shade was not available when I went to the Pact store. I wanted the pot concealer, and what I tried from the pot concealer, it was really nice. It was very, very creamy. It reminded me so much of the Kryolan, the Super Color, the concealers. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my favorite Conceal and Define from Makeup Revolution. This is in the shade C11, available at Nykaa right now. Now I'm going to take the Studio Finished Compact Powder in 03, and I got the refill version. I did not get the complete pan because I just wanted to try it out, because I didn't want to buy the entire thing, which is slightly more expensive. You can just buy the refill. It comes in a nice lovely pack, and you can just keep it, or if you have a magnetic case, you can just, you know, apply all of that. I'm just going to apply 03. And it's a nice compact powder. It's not one of the best compact powder I can say, but it does, you know, it does the trick. I could have gone for 02 actually, but 03, because 03 seems a tad bit too, it would be great if at all I got a tan, which I don't. But I can still make it work, you know, it gives me that very healthy, healthy glow. Now, I've heard so much about the translucent powder from Pact, which just got released, I think a month ago or something, and I don't have that obviously. I'm just using the luxury banana powder from Makeup Revolution. I'm only applying this because we are going in for the eye makeup right now. So there were 3 eyeshadow palettes that I saw in the Pact showroom. One was the everyday neutral warm eyeshadow palette with just beautiful smoky browns and, you know, taupey browns, as well as there's a black eyeshadow in it, which was completely out of stock. Then there is one almost similar, the warm shadow palette with a lot of shimmer to it. And then there was a colorful palette, and that is this eyeshadow palette. I have mentioned this even in my monthly favorites, I think in my April monthly favorite, I think. I'm going to start off with this neutral matte color. So you just get one matte shade and the rest of it is that shimmery eyeshadow. So I'm just going to take that and just pat that all over my eyelids. And can you see that? This is heavily pigmented, beautifully pigmented. Now, taking my favorite Pact 310 shading brush, I'm going to go for the middle color. Yeah, unfortunately they don't have the colors written on that, but yeah, I'm just going to go for this middle color right here. It's got more of a soft gold. It's not like on your face gold, just a soft gold, and I'm just going to apply that on the middle of my eye. And this is using a dry brush. So if I have to wet it, you will see there will be a lot more intensity. I have to admit, the eyeshadow palette has got a bit of a fallout. I want to go for this coppery pink. And I'm just going to pat it right here on the outer corner. Mind you, I just dipped my brush, alright? Beautiful color. So right here in the middle, I want to go a little more gold. Okay, so this is a darker one and a little more lighter right on the middle. Again, I'm just going to wet the brush and I'm just going to pack this right in the middle here. Wow, this is nice. So I'm going to run a little bit of that bronzy tone under my eye. So now I'm going to draw the liquid liner using the Pact liquid liner pen. I really like this liquid liner pen. It just doesn't dry out as much. It's really lovely. I think even their cake eyeliners and the liquid liner pen is great. I tried the cake eyeliner and they did not have one in stock. It was all sold out in the Cochin Pact, showroom, unfortunately. So I'm just going to draw my winged eyeliner. I have the whole tutorial. Just hit the card right here and I shall be right back. Now I'm going to take the Pact long lasting kohl pencil in the color Skin, which is a beautiful nude eye pencil for our Indian skin tone. Sometimes you just don't want to add that intense white. You just want to go for a nude eye pencil on the lower lash line. This is just perfect. Even the black was amazing. So yeah, I'm just going to apply this, and the best part is it's got a section where you can smoke it up. So that's there even in the black eye pencil as well. So I'm just going to apply this from the inner corner and more here on the midsection. Now I'm going to apply some lashes, and I'm going to apply the eyelash number 52. Very natural lashes they are. So the band is a little more thicker. I like the demi wispies only because it's got a very thin band. This band is a little more thicker, but I'm just going to apply my lashes. I have a whole video on how to apply lashes too, so go check it out, and I'll be right back. So I like the way the makeup is looking right now. I do not want to contour, but I do want to add a bit of a blush as well as a bronzer, and I found the Pact 08 blush, almost like a bronzer come blush, and I found that in the powder blusher 08, which is really lovely. It's extremely pigmented, matte, and it's a beautiful blush from Pact. I have to go really subtle with it because it's extremely pigmented, and I'm just going to add that flush of color here. So it'll give me just a bit of color, but it'll bronze up my face a lot more. Now to add my favorite highlighter from Pact, that's the Baked highlighter. It is such a beautiful highlighter, very finely milled. It's not too streaky, it doesn't have too much of that glitter. If you have textured skin like mine, it will be just perfect. And 03 Baked highlighter from Pact is their best shade, and I'm going to apply that with the Pact 372 brush, which is beautiful for concealing, for packing on loose powder right here onto the inner corner, as well as applying your highlighter. Perfect. Now let's go on for some lipstick. I have two of their beautiful lip liners which you have to buy. That is the Color Lock long lasting lip liner. I got my favorite shade, So Spicy, which is such a beautiful nude pencil, and then there is another one called Plush. So I think I'm going to apply Plush today. And also I got their matte retro lip gloss in 11 and 26. If you saw my top red lipsticks to have, undertones to have video, which you can hit the card right here, I spoke about this red. This is number 26. It's got an orangey tone. Or I can apply number 11, beautiful pink, warm pink lipstick. It's absolutely stunning. Can you see that? It is so lovely. Such a stunning warm pink color. I won't say that these are my favorite lipsticks because they do have a tendency to dry out, but what I love from the Pact is their Color Lock lip liners and their matte lipstick. Okay, this is the classic lipsticks, and I got lipstick number 3, which is like a stunning, can you see that, like a reddish brown color. It is so beautiful. It's almost like a terracotta red brown. This is super creamy and long lasting. This is the perfect base to apply under your lipstick. On top of this, I'm going to apply the Pact lipstick number 03, just a little bit on the center. Let's add the finishing touches. And to set this entire thing up, I'm going to add my setting spray. Shouldn't talk and put at the same time. And that's it, you guys. This completes the makeup look using all of my favorite Pact products. This is the best of Pact according to my opinion. I hope you really liked this video. Don't forget to give it a nice big thumbs up, and your comments below. Don't forget to take part in the giveaway and let me know what your favorite Pact products are. This is your chance to win one of these beauties. Alright, I shall see you when I see you in my next. Until later, bye for now.